Second half of our video on this 1957 Ford T-Bird. It runs and drives very well. Has the 312 engine with automatic transmission. And it was driven to our location, so I'm confident in its roadworthiness. Maybe JD can figure out how to put it in reverse, because that transmission has got a reverse pattern than we're used to on today's modern cars. There we go. Smooth, purrs like a kitten, smooth as glass. You can't even hardly hear it run. Again, do your research, come see it, and bid with confidence that you're getting a great car. Good luck and happy bidding. Thanks for looking at North State Auctions.